Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open YouTube and tap your profile icon at the top right. Once done, choose Settings, then Appearance. This is where Themes live. Make sure you're on the correct account because themes apply per account. If you're using the mobile app, tap Settings, then General, and look for Theme or Appearance. Do this now so the next steps apply directly to the interface you see. This avoids switching accounts mid-change and saves time. Once in Appearance, pick the theme option you want, default, dark, or device theme which follows your system setting. You'll see an immediate preview across the page. Check thumbnails, text contrast, and player controls. If you want dark, choose it and inspect comment readability and channel cards. If device theme, make sure your system is set as you prefer. This step lets you evaluate accessibility and eye comfort, so pick the option that balances visibility. After previewing, confirm the theme selection. YouTube applies it right away. If you don't see the change, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. Sign out and sign back in to force settings to sync. On mobile, restart the app, and if problems persist, update YouTube or your browser. Outdated versions can block theme features. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch to device theme and back, which often resets the setting and resolves stubborn display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.